In this 1-minute photography tip, I want to share with you how capturing a bird in flight can immediately make your photographs more interesting and dynamic. A quick way to make an average scene more interesting is to try to capture a flying bird somewhere in the frame. It's a trick that is often used by professional photographers, and it can transform a landscape or situation that otherwise might not be very interesting. However, if you can combine a flying bird with other interesting things happening within the frame at the same time, you can turn an already interesting scene into something even more special. The trick to capturing a bird in flight is to use a higher shutter speed to make sure you capture it relatively sharp, and then try to position it in a good place within the frame, ideally against sky, clouds, or a plain background where it can stand out. So always keep an eye out for flying birds and try to add them to your photographs. That is your 1-minute photography tip.